Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Path of Exile 2 error code 51. The error reads, "Failed to init FMOD system." As per our research, the error comes when players try to launch the game. Users shared that the client immediately exits with the error message after a recent update. According to our research, the error is related to audio device configuration or conflicts with virtual audio systems like Voicemeeter or Oculus. The first thing we suggest is to turn on your audio receiver if you are using one. A few users were able to fix the error by simply powering it on before launching the game. So try this and see if this helps. If the error still comes, then make sure the correct audio device is active. So try turning on the audio receiver and enabling the audio device linked to your configuration files. Then launch the game and check if the error still comes. If you still have the error, then try disabling your audio device in Windows, then start the game. Once the game is running, re-enable the audio device. After that, go to the PoE settings, then open the audio tab and select the correct audio device again. Then check for the error. If you have the Oculus software installed, try deactivating the Oculus virtual audio device, as this has caused the error for some users after a driver update. And check for the error. If you're playing on a TV and it's switching to Dolby Audio mode when opening the Netflix app, then terminate the Netflix process and power the TV off and back on. Then try running the game again. If the error still comes and you are using Voicemeeter, make sure your hardware output settings haven't changed. So try switching back to your original Voicemeeter AUX in both Voicemeeter and Windows sound settings and see if this resolves the error. If you still get the error, then try launching the game while your headset is already powered on and connected. If unfortunately you still have the error, then go into your audio settings and change the output device to a different one. Then try launching the game again. If nothing helps, then try plugging in another headset, then wait a moment, then switch back to your own headset and see if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.